Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So today I'm going to try using the webcam to record a read aloud for you. In the slide, there'll also be some activities that would go with the read aloud. This is one of our books that we would have used in our program. Okay, so today we're reading, and I know when you look at it, it's going to be flip-flopped and you're not going to see the words properly, but I do want you to see the pictures and I want you to get the idea. If the Dinosaurs Came Back by Bernard Most. So think about that for a minute. If the dinosaurs came back, what do you think would happen if there were dinosaurs now? They're pretty big. That might be a little crazy. Okay, thinking, how big are they? What would they be as big as? Are there any dinosaurs that were small? What kind of jobs could they do? Or like things could we have them do? Or Second question, what kind of book is this? Now, look at these pictures, okay? Look at those. What kind of book is this? I hope I heard some fiction answers at home. Fiction, not real. Not real. And even when we're talking about fiction, it's a special kind of fiction. Fantasy. Okay? Fantasy is the kind of fiction that could never really happen. We've read stories about boys and girls who were made up stories, but things happen in the stories that it could be like real life. Simon and Molly plus Hester. Or I think it was Simon and Molly plus Hester. Remember that one about the two best friends and the new girl moves into the neighborhood? That kind of thing happens in real life. We had new students in our classroom this year, and they had to find new friends, and people had to let them into their friendships. That's like real life. Fantasy are books that are not real life. Could never happen. Okay, so let's start reading. I only have so much time before my timer runs out. If the Dinosaurs Came Back. Whoa, look at that guy. Look at that Brontosaurus. Or Brachiosaurus. I never really know the difference. I like dinosaurs. I think about them all the time. I read about them. I talk about them. Oh, how I wish the dinosaurs could come back. Trying to see if I'm letting you see the pictures. So you see, this is all his little imagination bubble, right? You see he's like in bed. Look at all the pictures on his walls about dinosaurs. He really does like them, doesn't he? Okay. If the dinosaurs came back, they could carry people. Actually, I should start it that way. To work and back. Whoa, that's a big guy, right? If the dinosaurs came back, we wouldn't need any more lawnmowers. Why wouldn't we need lawnmowers? They'd eat the grass. If the dinosaurs came back, house painters wouldn't need any more ladders. Yeah, we could just use them. If the dinosaurs came back, they would scare away robbers. Yeah, look. See in the background, he's got, where is it? There it is. He's got his doghouse, his dinosaur doghouse. If the dinosaurs came back, they would make it easy for farmers to plow their fields. This one. If the dinosaurs came back, they could help lumberjacks chop down trees. It looks like they're using their sharp, sharp teeth to do it. If the dinosaurs came back, they could help firefighters put out fires. They could be like their ladders, kind of like the house painters, right? If the dinosaurs came back, they could help build skyscrapers. If the dinosaurs came back, they would make great ski slopes. If the dinosaurs came back, they could take swimmers on rides at the beach. If the dinosaurs came back, they could rescue kites stuck in tall, tall trees. Makes me think of Lohan, who made a kite last week. Did you guys see that on the classroom stream? We put pictures and a video up of it. One of our June activities you could do. If the dinosaurs came back, mountain climbers would have new mountains to climb. There we go. If the dinosaurs came back, they could help at the circus. If the dinosaurs came back, they could help librarians get books from the top shelf. If the dinosaurs came back, dentists would have plenty of teeth to work on. That'd be one brave dentist getting inside a dino's mouth, right? Not me. If dinosaurs came back, giraffes would have someone to look up to. If the dinosaurs came back, they could push away rain clouds so the sun could shine. Could anyone do that? Could a dinosaur do that? No. Silly, silly, silly. But if the dinosaurs came back, but best of all, if the dinosaurs came back, they would make great pets for people who love dinosaurs. Do you think dinosaurs could really make good pets? Oh, the end. And then look, there's all these great dino names. I'll take a picture of it and I'll add it to our slide so you'll see it there in one of our next slides so you can take a look if you're curious. I know some of you like these things, so if you're curious about some of the names, you can see those. Okay, so boys and girls, I want you to start thinking about our skill with this book. The main thing I want you kind of thinking about is fantasy, reality. So you're going to see a couple of pictures in our slides, and I want you to pick the things that are fantasy, could never happen, and things that are reality, could happen. So for example, this will be one of our read-alouds later in the week, okay? Harold and Hog, they look a lot like Piggy and Elephant, and you'll find out all about them later. How are Piggy and Elephant fantasy? Characters talking, animals talking to each other, a pig and an elephant being friends. All of those things are not like real life. So when you're looking at the pictures in the slides and you're looking for the things that are not like real life, those are your fantasy pictures, okay? So you're going to be focusing on that skill today. And then later on in the week, we'll do some more sight word, sounding out words work, okay? All right, guys. Can't wait to see what you do. Have a good day.